SEMrush can be a valuable tool for enhancing your blogging efforts, helping you create optimized, engaging, and high-performing content. Here's how you can use SEMrush for blogging. Keyword research. Use SEMrush's keyword research tool to discover relevant keywords for your blog posts. This helps identify topics with high search volume and low competition, ensuring your content ranks effectively in search engines. Content ideas. Generate content ideas by analyzing competitors or trending topics. SEMrush provides insights into popular blog topics within your niche, helping you stay relevant and engaging. SEO optimization. Optimize blog content with SEMrush's on-page SEO recommendations. The tool suggests improvements for keyword usage, meta description, title tags, and internal linking, ensuring your blog ranks higher on search engines. Content performance tracking. Track the performance of your blog post using SEMrush's content analytics. Monitor page views, organic traffic, bounce rates, and engagement metrics to understand what works and what needs improvement. Competitor analysis. Analyze competitors' blogs using SEMrush to understand their content strategy, including keywords, backlink strategies, and audience engagement. This helps you refine your approach and stay competitive. Content calendar and planning. Plan your blogging schedule by using SEMrush's content calendar feature. Schedule blog posts based on trends, keyword performance, and publishing frequency to ensure consistent, high-quality content. Backlink building. Identify backlink opportunities to increase the authority of your blog posts. SEMrush provides insights into where competitors are getting backlinks, enabling you to build valuable external links.